Winter is here, painting landscapes with frost and chilling the air. As nature takes its rest, our plant's survival becomes a delicate balance of care and protection. While the winter months can be harsh, fear not, for with the right strategies, your plants can not only survive, but thrive. Let us guide you through the essential steps to safeguard your green companions this winter. First, let's focus on indoor plant care. Indoor plants are generally sheltered from the cold, but they still face challenges. The lack of sunlight during shorter days can impede their growth. To counter this, try placing them in the brightest spot available, ideally near south-facing windows. Be careful of cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. These can stress your plants. Ensure that any window nearby is properly sealed. Meanwhile, heaters can dry out the air, so maintaining humidity is crucial. Consider using a humidifier or simply placing a bowl of water near heat sources to boost moisture levels. Remember to water your plants less frequently during winter. Their growth slows, needing less water. Overwatering is a common mistake that can lead to root rot. Now, turning to outdoor plant care. Outdoor plants face more direct confrontation with winter elements. Begin by mulching around the base of your plants. A thick layer of organic mulch acts as an insulating blanket, keeping soil temperatures consistent and protecting roots from freezing. For more vulnerable shrubs and young trees, consider building a windbreak using burlap or similar materials. These barriers help protect against piercing winds and reduce moisture loss. It's also wise to wrap larger plants with horticultural fleece. This breathable fabric shields plants without suffocating them. Ensure to secure the fleece against strong winds. When it comes to watering, pay attention to dry spells. Winter might not seem dry, but plants still need hydration. Water on warmer days when the ground isn't frozen. For potted plants, the key is mobility. When possible, move pots closer to the house where they can benefit from residual warmth. Grouping pots together can create a microclimate, offering some protection from the frost. If space allows, consider bringing pots inside or into a shed or garage during particularly cold spells. Be mindful to acclimatize them gradually to avoid shock from sudden changes in temperature and light conditions. Finally, as we conclude, consider adding hardy plants to your garden. These are naturally more resilient to low temperatures. Evergreens and certain perennials can withstand the cold better than others. Additionally, take this time to prune dormant plants. This not only tidies your garden, but can also improve health and encourages robust regrowth come spring. So there you have it, a comprehensive approach to protecting your plants this winter. With these strategies, you can enjoy the peace of mind that your plants are well cared for, ensuring they emerge strong and vibrant when the warmth of spring returns. Remember, preparation and vigilance are your best allies. Let the season's calm be an opportunity for your garden to rest and renew. Here's to a thriving garden in the months to come.